students, welcome you all to our brilliant channel Maths Nation. Dear students, if you have not subscribed Maths Nation, kindly subscribe it now. I promise to complete your syllabus and would like to solve your all queries which you may kindly drop in the comment box. So dear students, in my last sessions we have discussed about congruent triangle. Today we continue with this. In my last sessions we have discussed about congruent conditions. First conditions 1, property 1, S property, side property. Two triangles, suppose A, B, C and X, Y, Z are two triangles. Suppose A, B, C and X, Y, Z are two triangles. They are said to be congruent when side AB is equal to side XY, side AC is equal to side XZ and side BC is equal to side YZ. Then by conditions SSS, side property, these two triangles are said to be congruent. Then the second condition says side angle side. Suppose ABC is a triangle. Suppose ABC is a triangle. XYZ is another triangle. Then suppose side AB is equal to side XY and side BC is equal to side YZ and angle B, the angle between two sides, is equal to angle Y. Then we say that these two triangles are congruent by the conditions SAS, side angle side property. Side angle side property. Then here discuss some problems based on these conditions. I have already told you students, please practice variety of questions. Only practice a variety of questions can help you to appear any questions which will be asked in your exam paper. Otherwise the questions which will be asked in your exam paper will be challenge for you. Please practice your worksheet and ask me your doubt. Here this is PQRS is a figure. Here PQRS is a figure and PR is the angle divider of. Here this is the PR and the conditions is given, this angle is equal to this angle and this side is equal to this side. We have to prove that. Here the conditions is given. Here given conditions is, here this, there are two triangles. Consider the triangle PQR triangle and PSR triangle. PQR triangle and PSR triangle. The conditions is given. Side PQ is equal to side PS and the angle QPR is equal to angle SPR. The angle QPR is equal to angle SPR. Then to prove that triangle PQR, then we have to prove that triangle PQR is congruent with the triangle PSR. Here the two conditions are given. PQ is equal to PS given angle QPR is equal to angle SPR given. Then the PR is the common side. PR is equal to PR, common side. Then by side angle side by SAS property, by side angle side property, these two triangles are said to be congruent. Then by SAS property, triangle PQR is congruent with the triangle PSR. Okay. Then next questions. Then here the another question says, so that so that the bisector of the vertical angle of an isosceles triangle bisect the base at right angle. Very important question, students. Please at first try to understand the questions. When you understand the questions, then can you draw the figure. If you do not draw the figure, if you cannot draw the figure, you cannot solve the questions. At first try to understand what the question says, so that the bisector of the vertical angle, suppose ABC is an isosceles triangle. The bisector of the vertical angle of an isosceles triangle bisect the base at right angle. Here this is a isosceles triangle. This means side AB is equal to side AC. Then angle A is the vertical angle. The vertical angle bisector bisect the base at right angle. Then we have to prove that the angle bisector, suppose AD is the angle bisector. Angle bisector means this angle is equal to this angle. Then we have to prove that AD bisect BC, means BD is equal to CD and the angle ADB, and this angle are right angle. Then here the given conditions. What is given here? Given ABC is an isosceles triangle, This means side AB is equal to side AC, and AD is the AD is the angle bisector, Then we have to prove that, that this angle bisector bisect the base at right angle, means we have to prove that BD is equal to CD and angle ADB is equal to angle ADC is 90 degree. Okay, then to prove here, then proof. Consider triangle ADB, consider triangle ADB and triangle ADC. Consider triangle ADB and triangle ADC. Here AB is equal to AC given, and AD is equal to AD, the common side. AD is the common side of these two triangles. AD is equal to AD common side, and as AD is the angle bisector, this means angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. Since AD is the angle bisector, AD is the angle bisector, then this imply by side angle side SAS property, then by SAS property triangle ABD is congruent with triangle ACD. Triangle ABD is congruent with the triangle ACD, then which shows BD is equal to CD by CPCT. BD is equal to CD by CPCT, means corresponding part of congruent triangle. Then BD is equal to CD by CPCT. Then first condition is proved. Second condition, so we have to prove that they bisect at the right angle, means this angle is equal to this angle is 90 degree. Here ADC is equal to ADB by CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangle, as these two triangles are congruent. This means this angle is equal to this angle by CPCT, but these two angles are linear pair, but angle ADC and angle ADB, these two angles are linear pair, are linear pair. This means are linear pair means their sum is 180 degree and they are equal in measure means they are 90 degree each. But these are linear pair which imply ADC is equal to angle ADB is equal to 90 degree. As they are linear pair, their sum is 180 degree and both of their measure same. Their sum 180 degree and their measure same means these two angles are 90 degree. Hence we prove that angle bisector bisect the base at right angle. Okay. Then another conditions. Then another conditions is angle side angle. The third conditions of congruence is angle side angle. Then another conditions of congruence is another third conditions of congruence is ASA, angle side angle, angle side angle property, angle side angle property. Suppose ABC and PQR, suppose PQR and ABC are two triangles given and the conditions is given angle Q is equal to angle B and angle R is equal to angle C. If QR measure is equal to BC, then by the property angle side angle, angle side angle, ASA property, triangle PQR is congruent with the triangle ABC by angle side angle property, by angle side angle property, ASA property. Okay. Then here we suppose two triangles are given here. Suppose two triangles are given here. Suppose two triangles are given here, XYZ and PQR. Then here this angle is 60 degree and this angle is 60 degree. Suppose this is 40 degree and this is 40 degree. And the conditions is given. This is measure 4 centimeter and this is measure 4 centimeter. Then we say that XYZ triangle is congruent with the triangle PQR triangle by angle side angle property, by angle side angle property. These two triangles are said to be congruent to each other. These two triangles are said to be congruent to each other. Then here solve questions. Here solve questions. I have already told you students, please practice variety of questions. Variety of questions which will help you to appear any questions which will be asked in your exam paper. Here the question says, look at the figure carefully. Here ABC is a triangle and another triangle has the same base. Here A, B, C and B, C, D are two triangles given. This angle measure 40 degree where this angle measure 40 degree. Where this angle also measure 40 degree and this angle measure 20 degree, where this angle measure 20 degree. And another conditions, then we have to prove that. Then here to the conditions is given here. Then we have to prove that BC is the common base. Then to prove that triangle ABC is congruent with triangle DBC. Triangle ABC is congruent with the triangle DCB, ABC is congruent with the triangle DCB. Then here consider the triangle. Here consider triangle ABC and triangle DCB. Here in ABC triangle, angle ABC is equal to 40 plus 20 is equal to 60 degree. Angle ABC is equal to 40 plus 20 is 60 degree. And the angle DCB is equal to 40 plus 20 is equal to 60 degree. Then here ACB angle is equal to 40 degree, where DBC angle is equal to 40 degree. Means here ABC angle is equal to DCB angle, and angle ACB angle is equal to DBC angle 40 degree. Then here 60 degree, 40 degree, and BC is equal to BC common base, then by angle side angle means ASA property, then by angle side angle property triangle ABC is congruent with the triangle DCB. Here by the property ASA, angle side angle property, these two triangles are said to be congruent to each other. Okay. Then another questions. I have already told you students, please practice variety of questions and do your all exercises and ask me your doubt in my comment box. Here the question says, here look at the figure carefully. Here P, Q, O, S, R. Here the angle, this angle is 70 degree and this angle is 70 degree, and this side is 3.5 and this side is 3.5. Another conditions is given here. This is 35 degree and this angle is 35 degree. Then here to prove that triangle POQ is congruent with the triangle SOR. Then the POQ triangle is congruent with SOR triangle. Then here consider the triangle, then to prove. Here proof. Consider the triangle POQ and triangle SOR. POQ and SOR. Here angle POQ is equal to angle SOR is equal to 70 degree given, and side PO is equal to SO. Side PO is equal to SO is 3.5 centimeter. Is 3.5 centimeter given. To angle side angle property, another conditions is required. Here this angle is equal to this angle. this side is equal to this sides, then we need angle P and angle S. If these two angles are equal, then can we say by angle side angle property, these two triangles are congruent. Here the angle Q is equal to angle R is equal to 35 degree. Then by angle sum property, angle sum property, angle QPO is equal to angle QPO angle is equal to RSO angle is equal to RSO angle is 180 minus 70 plus 35 degree, which is equal to 75 degree. Here by angle sum property, as these two angles are given, we can find out third angle, because sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degree. Then these two angles measure 75 degree. Then by QPO angle, then QPO angle is equal to RSO angle is 75 degree. Then this is 70 degree, this is 75 degree, and this side is same. Then by angle side angle property, angle side angle property, ASA property, these two triangles, triangle POQ is congruent with the triangle SOR. Then by ASA property, these two triangles are congruent to each other. Okay. Thank you students. Today this much. In my next sessions we will continue with these congruent triangles. You please practice your worksheet and ask me your doubt in my comment box. Thank you students.